G'day viewers, I had to reshoot this video again. I did have a video on this TV, but this camera took a shit. I lost all the footage and the reformat the card to start again. But what I did, I sprayed all the sockets, sprayed all the controls, took the tuner apart, lubricated it, cleaned it all up, and it works quite well. I had to pull this what was that one there? 6BU8 valve. Somehow it takes everything else out. I pull it out and the TV works normally. I got the radio working quite nice on here, so the tuner and the amplifier and everything's working quite nicely. I got to send on to the picture too. I might even put a converter on this to see if I can get a picture on it, as it is. I'm just going to work on the vertical issue and replace this valve. I think that valve's buggered.
It's end of financial year at Mazda. Go for Mazda CX-5 Max Sport with sat-nav and
yeah, it's not filling the screen properly.
Amazing $35.99.
Tone control.
Time for EOFY value at Mazda. Time to go.
Vertical hold.
There's something for everyone at the 67th Annual Mildura Field Days. Don't miss the spectacular steel chainsaw carving.
That works quite nice.
Productions, lots of yummy food, as well as the regular field day active machinery and lots more.
Got a station there.
Jumping castle and huge play area. Find Mildura Field Days on Facebook. Mildura Field Days. Friday,
Dirt cheap prices with everything you need.
Loud and bassy, plenty of bass and treble there.
Fresh sales today only corner 15th and Wonder Avenue.
It's not going to be clear because the frequency is different on the TV than an FM radio. It's just picking up the audio carrier part and the radio is coming in as interference. You're not going to pick it up perfectly because the FM range is very low on the band. It tries to warm up, but it takes everything else out. See, it warms up. Now it's not working. Now that is the AGC amp, I think. 6BU8, valve 112, that one there. AGC amplifier. Sync separator. Okay. Half the go on my storage and go on my other, one of the other TVs and just grab a spare valve out of that. That valve might be buggered. It does glow, but only faintly. Yeah, it's only glowing faintly. I think we've got a filament short. To the grid. Shorter to the grid, I think. That's not good. The filament only glows at half voltage on that. So I've got a problem with that valve. Those two filaments are these two pins here, which hook up to a 6-volt battery and do some checks. I haven't got a bloody valve tester. I've got a picture on that screen. So I've all got a picture on it. I can see a static on the screen. Just a vertical issue I've got to fix. So I've got to replace that valve. The cap's not even warm, it's good. I've got to work in the vertical circuitry now. Probably some caps or electrolytic might have gone bad, so it's coming on quite nicely.
Requirements to have their worker payments stopped. The new laws cleared Parliament and 42 discussions for vanilla practices revealed she's been diagnosed with breast cancer.
Just go on holiday. No excuses.
All working though. This radio coming in is a good sign.
Think of this when you damage your phone.
Turn the brightness down. and turn it off. Yeah. I want to turn the brightness down when I turn it off. That way I don't burn the phosphor like that. But it's looking good. This TV's going to work. I'm making good progress. So this valve here. See my other Pi. My 1957 Pi with the that I couldn't get. I got an old dull raster and I swapped that out. 6BU8. I've already swapped the other valve out of that for the other TV to get the high voltage working on it. So I'll leave that only that one there cleaned. Over a month ago I changed that valve. And that's the automatic gain control there for sink separator. Very good. Smells good too. Oh, that vintage smell, love it. Gave them all a good wiggle. It works good now. So make good progress on this TV. Unplug safety first. Cover it all up. Put that away. I've got this back ready to make up. I've got to cut the holes for the controls, label them. So that's my tone, vertical hold. This might be my horizontal hold. Draw those out, make a cut for that, and cut this bit out for the tuner connections. Now a little notch for this. It should just fit straight in there. There's like a hook that goes in on here and here. Perfect, fixed. Anyway, good work in progress. Thanks for watching.